It's a beautiful day here in Nigeria. Thank you so much for clicking the link to this video. In this video, you're going to learn a lot. In this video, you're going to learn how to make beautiful flashcards for your child at home. And if you're a teacher, you're going to learn how to make flashcards yourself. So there's no need of spending so much money buying flashcards. You could actually do them yourself. So without wasting much time, let me take you to the video. you cannot make the flashcard yourself, they are available for sale. Any type you want, for letter sound, for shapes, for numbers, for sentences, for words, and they are just 1,000 naira for a set. So you see, they are affordable. I'm going to put my number up at the screen. Feel free to chat me for your orders. Feel free to ask me any questions. Feel free to make suggestions. They are all welcome. Don't forget, it's not all about buying games, buying toys for our children. We need to invest in them by, getting them flashcards for them to see, and for whatever they are learning to be reinforced. Don't forget to like my video and to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.